Hello everyone. Since Binance P2P is no longer working in Nigeria because it has been banned by Nigerian government, okay, when you click on P2P, you will discover that it's no more working. When you click on sell, no more working. When you click on buy, no more working. Now, what is the way out? I want to tell you, it is fantastic more than P2P on Binance. It is something that you will enjoy. You will see because you are dealing with, because on P2P on Binance, you are dealing with individual. And sometimes new people who are new to Binance, sometimes they get scared. They worry, they get worried that, oh, what if this person refuse to pay him or pay her? So they get scared. Some new people get scared on Binance. But on what I'm about to present to you, you are dealing with the company directly. If you want to deposit here, you are dealing with the company. If you want to sell your USDT, you are dealing with company. If you want to buy USDT, you are dealing with company. If you want to withdraw, you are dealing with the company. You are not dealing with individual. So therefore, you have nothing to panic about. You have nothing to worry about. You have no anything to fear about. Okay, now let me take you through one after the other. Take your time to watch the video and also make sure that you share this video with other people so that they'll be able to get this huge advantage and profit attached to this video. So please, now the first thing, and also you'll be able to see how to register on this yellow card on our YouTube channel. You'll be able to see that. Okay, then don't forget to join our Telegram group whereby you have access to a lot of crypto business, whereby you'll be able to trade and do some other things on our YouTube channel. So let me take you through on how to deposit, on how to sell, on how to buy, and how to withdraw at the same time to see how fantastic this platform is. Now let me click on deposit. I think that's the first thing. Let me click on deposit. Let me click on deposit right now. Wow. It is very easy and very easy. Even a child of 5 years old, 7 years old, 10-year-old can do this thing easily. You click on transfer. You click on transfer. Then the amount you want to transfer to this, you want to deposit. Okay, the amount you want to deposit. Let me try to 1,500. Let me type 1,500. Then the next thing is to click on next. Let me click on next. Now, after you are done with that, the next thing you click on next again. You click on next. It is very easy. Then please, my people, read this information here. Deposit from a bank account in your name. Do not deposit from a POS, ATM, or digital bank account, as these do not always carry your name. Take note of that. And again, if you deposit from an account that does not match your name or wallet card or yellow card, the fund will be lost. Take note of that. Then you proceed to click on next. It is very easy. It's sound information. As you can see right here, right now, you can see right now, this is the company, this is the bank. This is the bank of the company that you are sending money to Paga, okay? And this is the account number. This is the account number that you are sending money to. You click on this icon, you copy it, as I'm about to copy it right now. Then I think I did this here, your name. You will see your name here, okay? You see your name here. Then you see your phone number. All what you need to do next is to copy this. You copy this account number. You copy this account number. Let me click on copy right now, okay? I've successfully copied. The address the account number has been successfully copied. Then make sure that you go to your app, your bank app, and deposit. Okay, let me quickly do that right now. Then after you have deposited and you have received your deposit alert, you have received alert on that deposit, you have received a debit alert, then all what you need to do is to come right here. Do not close this page. Take note of that. Do not close this page. Just click on I made my deposit. Let me quickly do that right now for you to be able to see how it goes. Okay, now I have made the payment. Okay, I've made the payment now. Or the next thing to do is to click on I made my deposit. Take note of that. I made my deposit. Just click on that. Okay, after you have clicked on that, all what you need to do, they ask you to view the transaction, but don't worry on that. Just click on done. Just for a few seconds or a minute, you will see your deposit on your dashboard on yellow card. Let me click on done right now. Let me click on done. Okay. You may see it, you may first see it under pending. You may see it under pending, but for a few seconds, it will surface on your dashboard and you'll be able to see that. Okay. Wow. In case you want to see it, just want to see, just click on see all these. As you can see, recent transaction. You can click on this, you can click on that here, so that you'll be able to see the recent transaction, so that you'll be able to see all the transaction that you have performed. Then you click on this, I think you'll be able to see it. Can you just imagine? I just transferred, I just deposited 1,500. Okay, now the next thing to do is to, after we have deposited some amount of money into our dashboard, I think the next thing to do right now is to buy. Once you have deposited, the next thing to do is to buy. Now you want to buy crypto. you want to buy crypto before we sell. Let's click on buy. Let's click on buy. You come right here, you click on buy. You come right there, you click on buy. Which crypto do you want to buy? USDT. You click on USDT. You click on USDT. Okay. After you have clicked on USDT, what's the amount of USDT do you want to buy? What's the amount of USDT do you want to buy? Do you have the balance? I think I have more than. Let me just start with one USDT. Let me just try to type in one USDT. It's like network is somehow okay. All what you need to do just to, after you have clicked, please take note of that. After you have clicked on buy, take note of this. After you have clicked on buy, then you type you click on USDT. Then the next thing is to scroll down. That is exactly what I wanted to do. Is to scroll down. Then you click on buy here. You click on buy. Then what's the amount of USDT you want to buy? Okay. Let me start. Let me just use it as an example. Let me click on one USDT. Okay. Will I be able to buy? Okay. No. Not in, just in Naira, please. In Naira, and one USDT worth 1,445. So in Naira, you not type USDT. You type Naira, the amount in Naira. So assuming I want to buy one USDT, and one USDT costs 1,445, as you can see, 445 Naira. So I will type 1,000. I will type 1,545 Naira. Okay. The next thing is to come right here to click on review and confirm. Review and confirm. Just click on it. Okay. Can you imagine? You are buying one USDT. It is very just see. Very fantastic. So you click on confirm. Okay. After you have clicked on confirm, don't forget that when you were doing the registration, you enter your PIN as a security four-digit number. Just try to enter it. Let me enter my own right now. Okay. After you have entered that 4-digit number, then click on confirm. Just click on confirm. Just click on confirm. What a fantastic platform. Wow. This app is wow. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, wow, your USDT is ready. Your one USDT is in your wallet. Just go to your wallet straight. Let me click on wallet. Wow. Wow, can you imagine? Oh, wow. Now, this is very fantastic. Very, very fantastic. Now, do you want to sell this USDT we are talking about? Let's assume that you want to sell now. We have gone through how to deposit. We have gone through how to buy. Then we want to go through on how to sell. Let me quickly sell my USDT right now. I will sell just some of my USDT. I will sell some of my USDT. All what you need to do just to click on sell. You click on sell. The amount you want to sell. You just try to, just if it is 1 or 2, it depends on the amount you have. But let me just click on 1. Let me click on 1. Okay. Let me click on 1 right now. Okay. How much USDT you want to buy? Let me I 1. I think 1 is okay. Okay, 1. Then the next thing is to come right here. To click on review and confirm. It is very easy. Wow. Again, you come right here, you click on confirm. You are selling. Again, the way you enter your 4-digit PIN, the same way you enter it while you are selling. Okay. Let me enter mine. Okay, I've entered. Then I've entered my 4-digit. Okay, sorry. There's an error here somewhere. Okay, just to click on confirm. Okay. Wow. This platform is wow. When you are dealing with P2P, as I've told you that it is just an individual, you are dealing with individual. But here right now, you are having business directly with the company. So let's check. Go to wallet. Let me click on go to wallet. Aha. Before now, previously I have a 2 point some amount of USDT. Now I sold 1 and remain 1.12. Okay, can you imagine? Now assume that I just decide that I'm on my bed, I'm on my bedroom. I just say, let me just withdraw to my bank account. How will I do that? It is very simple now. All what you need to do is just click on withdraw. Let's see what will happen. And click on withdraw. Remember that you have linked your bank account with this yellow card account. Remember that. The next thing to do is to click on transfer. You click on transfer. Then what is the amount of how much will you like to withdraw? Now you want to withdraw Naira. Let me just try to withdraw. I think a minimum I can withdraw here. Minimum of 1,800. Let me just try. Minimum of 1,800. I don't have up to that 1,100. But let me just see what I can do. Whether I could be able to sell some of my USDT so that I will be able to complete this video. Okay. Just try to stay patient. I will do that just right now. Wow. Now I've just completed. I sold another some of my. I sold some of my USDT just to make it so that I'll be able to withdraw minimum of that 1,800. So right now, let me quickly withdraw 1,800, which is the minimum. Sorry, let me 1,800. Okay. The next thing is to click on next. Wow, this is fantastic. Okay, this is my bank details that that I've linked with this. As I've told you, that I've linked with this yellow card. Which bank would you like to withdraw to? Okay, because it depends on, you may have many banks that you have linked with this thing. Let me click on this right now. Let me click on this. Let me click on this. Wow, what a fantastic app. Okay, let me click on confirm. Okay, let me enter my PIN. Wow, after you have entered your PIN, this is what will display on your screen. Oh, we received your withdrawal request. We will let you know as soon as your 1,800 Naira withdrawal request is complete. All what you need to do is just to click on done. Fantastic. Wow. Can you just see the balance of what I have right now? Because I withdraw some of my USDT that be converted to Naira automatically. We have 2 USDT here. Okay, previously we have 2 USDT here, but instantly the system will convert it. Can you just imagine? Oh my God, this is very fantastic. Please share this video with others, and please don't forget to join our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel so that other people will be able to gain to have more opportunity from the business. A lot of businesses that we are operating, and also there are some things that we have to guide you, to put you through on how to do this, on how to do that. And we are operating on legit business. We are operating on legit business. Okay, please subscribe for this channel and also share this video with other people. God bless you.